Hi, welcome. Today is day 4 of our 40 days of fasting and prayer. My name is Alyssa. I'm the campus administrator at Harvest Time Church in Eau Claire. At the end of 2022, we spent a lot of time in the book of Ruth. Not only does this entire book point to Jesus, but Ruth is also the great-great-grandmother of David, whose bloodline eventually leads to our Savior. It is an incredible story about despair and redemption. With just a little faith and devotion, this Moabite woman and her mother-in-law were restored and saved. Naomi was from Judah, and in a span of 10 years, she lost her husband and her 2 sons, which left her with just 2 daughter-in-laws, Ruth and Orpah. With all 3 women completely devastated, broken-hearted, and just without ties, they all had to make a decision on what to do next. Naomi was too old to have children, which I can imagine is just terrifying, especially in that time of history. And only a miracle would help her survive. Orpah and Ruth had to decide whether to go back to Moab, a pagan place full of death and destruction, and originated from an incestuous relationship Lot had with his daughter. They could go back there, back to what their life was before marrying into the line of Judah. And it would have been comfortable, familiar, it would have been easy. But they also had the option to choose to go to Judah, to go to the unknown, something that they're not too comfortable with yet. Orpah decided to go to Moab. I mean, she had a little bit of kind of a fight in her heart at first, but she did decide to go back to Moab. And Ruth decided to follow Naomi back to Judah. She said to Naomi, "Where you go, I go. Where you live, I'll live. Your people are my people, and your God is my God." That is the exact same way we're supposed to partner with Jesus. Whatever he does, we do it too. Because a life of movement can be good or bad. It could be a movement towards a comfortable sin, or it could be movement towards a beautiful restoration. Like Ruth, we have to have faith that God's in our corner, and he wants us to know and love him enough to do what he does, all the while trusting in what he does. Dedicate to him and partner with him for truly the best journey.